Xin chào, Vietnam. So this is my first international trip in years, and of course I had to be excited about every little thing. So here I am. We are sitting at the Kolkata lounge. Now it's official. Now it feels like it's official that we're finally going to Vietnam. अभी पैसों का लेन देन हो रहा है. देखते हैं. वाह. So we're getting complimentary drinks. So cheers. Apparently 2 glasses देते हैं मुफ्त के. तो cheers. Abhi we were coming by and we got like stopped by a couple who are like, "Arey, Hanoi, say you don't look like you're going there." Basically, she meant to say that we look like we belong to Vietnam. So now we are not Korean, we are not Chinese, we are not Japanese, we are Vietnamese. So abhi nobody is stopping us anyway because they're like, local light, local. I'm like, no, कुछ नहीं आता सिंह छाऊ के अलावा मेरे को. I don't know anything.
She wants stopped by.
She gets stopped at everything. She's like, what is the purpose of this? Why are you going? Where are you going?
Seriously.
हम दोनों को they're like, bye. I'm like, visa चाहिए आपको? He's like, no, you go. ला हर्रे. Guys, I'm going to our own city. And uncle was snoring the entire flight and I couldn't sleep at all. But finally we landed and I was so excited, like with zero sleep, but I was too excited to vlog everything because this is my first time ever and I don't want anybody to rain on my parade. We reached way earlier than we expected, so na ghar ka na ghat ka we are. We're trying to ask the Airbnb people if they're gonna take us early, but ऐसा लग तो नहीं रहा, so let's see. Otherwise यही है, इधर ही पसीना पड़ेगा हमको. So the Airbnb people said that they are gonna take us in. मतलब there is a common bathroom जहाँ पे we should freshen up until we can check in. तो अभी वो करें. Until then we are just, what are we doing? We are just gonna be at the airport. चखना खाएंगे जो भी we have got. Free का stuff we have got. We'll eat that. We'll do some पेट पूजा because we can't sleep anywhere. उसके बाद ऐसे ही we'll go to our place which is in Old Quarters. So from Hanoi airport we are gonna go to Old Quarters where our Airbnb. No, what is Old Quarters then?
It's the pura area. It's okay.
Huan Kian we are going. Kiam. Huan Kiam. We are going there. That's where our homestay is. And uske baad we'll just drop off our luggage, freshen up, and then we are gonna walk till the Huan Kiam lake. This is supposed to be a Bollywood. It started raining, but it's like he took my bag and he's taking my bag and going. So is it hospitality or he thinks I'm just incapable or he thinks I'm Papa ki pari? Either way, I'm happy I don't have to carry anything except my own emotional baggage. रतलाम की गलियों के अंदर जा रहे हैं. गली के अंदर we are going. I'm liking it. It feels very adventurous so far. This is our place. रतलाम की गलियों से गुजरते finally we reached our destination. I think of all the places that we stayed in Vietnam, Rick Homestay was our most favorite because A, he was like super amicable and helpful, and B, it was in the hub, so everything was so accessible to us. So we loved our stay here. 10 on 10 recommendation. So like I said, we landed way early than we expected, so we couldn't check in right. So we tried to settle down in the sofa, but clearly you can see us struggling. Oh, by the way, that is my sister, if you did not realize so far. It just looked like हम क्या कर रहे. We just wanted to rest for a while, but then यार पैसे दिए हैं तो घूमना ही पड़ेगा. So इसके बाद we were like, you know what, fuck it, let's just go.
Exactly.
It's raining and I can't think of a better outfit than this. We are at Hoan Kian Lake and it's been raining, so this is my outfit of the day. And people are actually like ऐसे भीग के रेनकोट पहन के they are exercising. They are like going for a walk and all. Indian store. It's called 7-Eleven, and everything just looks so damn delicious. Like, 200 रुपए में दारू मिलेगा, 200 रुपए में. So I'm trying out the famous Vietnamese egg coffee. Not bad. It kind of tastes like custard, but it's good. I mean, can do. Then I'm having Paris chocolate. My Indian accent can only pull that much of Paris chocolate. Perfect. So for lunch we had Bunbo Numbo noodles. Then we had bun seo, which is a crispy stuffed rice pancake popular in Vietnam, and this is how you have to prepare your bun seo. Enjoy it.
Al-Pudina. Then this. Ek khabo. Then wrap it.
So finally we are in the room. This is the room that has been allotted to us, and I think it's pretty decent. It's 1800 Indian rupees, yeah. Yeah, INR for 1 day. Yeah, so I think it's pretty great. We slept for like 2 hours. If we want to call it a nap, it's called a power nap, but जो भी हो. Because हम पैसे लेके आए हैं, तो हम नहीं सो सकते ट्रिप में. So that's why we're surviving on literally 1 or 2 hours of sleep somehow. We are at the Vietnam Police Museum because it is a crime to look this hot. यहाँ का खाना is only so nice that हम लोग इतना खा रहे हैं. That's why we are like walking kilometers after kilometers. We are like walking and going to our places just so that we can eat. So you eat and you burn the calories. That's the secret of their fitness. Another major problem here is the assets, the men. The men are so pretty, like so pretty. It's like water, not a drop to drink. Then I joined the locals in some dancing. Like I said, every evening and morning they just put up their boombox and they keep dancing. So of course I had to join them in dance.